So this is JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Please hit like. I'm looking at this old pocket watch I have, and I'm looking to see what the issue is with the lock and unlock of the escapement wheel feet with the pallet or with the pallet stones. So as I go in one direction, you can see the one on the left looks good. It's sliding it out. But I think the one on the right should be locking, and it's not. Sorry, the one on the right looks good, but the one on the left should be locking, but it's not. So this one here should be sliding the pallet fork over, which it does. But then when it slides it over, the one on the left should be all the way over, which would lock it. And then it would unlock. So I think the jewels may be sitting a little bit too close and have to go out just a bit more from where they are. So it's pretty tricky. So I think what I'll end up doing is completely removing all the shellac from the pallet fork. And so I've got two jewels that are completely clean, and then attempt to set them up again with a little bit of distancing, a gap. So you can let me know. I'm manually moving this right now with the the one on the left shouldn't be hitting the foot like it is. It should be stopping and locking, because it should have swung the pallet fork all the way clockwise to lock it. So let me know what your opinion is, and I won't do any changes on this until I get some appropriate feedback. Thank you very much.